अथ 10मोऽध्यायः। श्रीभगवानुवाच भूय एव महाबाहो शृणु मे परमं वचः यत्तेऽहं प्रीयमाणाय वक्ष्यामि हितकाम्यया।
The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "Listen again, O mighty armed Arjuna, because you are my dear friend, for your benefit I shall speak to you further, giving knowledge that is better than what I have already explained."
न मे विदुः सुरगणाः प्रभवम् न महर्षयः अहम् आदिर्हि देवानां महर्षीणां च सर्वशः।
Neither the hosts of demigods nor the great sages know my origin or opulences, for in every respect I am the source of the demigods and sages.
Yo mam ajamanadim cha vetti lokamaheshwaram asammudhaga samartyeshu sarvapapaihi pramuchyate.
He who knows me as the unborn, as the beginningless, as the supreme Lord of all the worlds, he only, undeluded among men, is freed from all sins.
Buddhi jnanam asammogaha kshama satyam damashamaga sukham dukkham bhavo bhavo bhayam cha bhayameva cha ahimsa samata tushtihi tapodanam yasho yashaga bhavanti bhava bhutanam mattayeva prithagvidhaga.
Intelligence, knowledge, freedom from doubt and delusion, forgiveness, truthfulness, control of the senses, control of the mind, happiness and distress, birth, death, fear, fearlessness, non-violence, equanimity, satisfaction, austerity, charity, fame and infamy, all these various qualities of living beings are created by me alone.
Maharshayah sapta purve chatvaro manavastatha madbhava manasa jata yesham lokahima prajaha.
The 7 great sages, and before them the 4 other great sages, and the Manus, progenitors of mankind, come from me, born from my mind, and all the living beings populating the various planets descend from them.
Yetam vibhutim yogam cha mama yo vetti tattvataha so vikampena yogena yujyate natra samshayatha.
One who is factually convinced of this opulence and mystic power of mine engages in unalloyed devotional service. Of this there is no doubt.
Aham sarvasya prabhavo mattah sarvam pravartate iti matva भजन्ते मां बुधाः भावसमन्विताः.
I am the source of all spiritual and material worlds. Everything emanates from me. The wise who perfectly know this engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts.
मच्चित्ता मद्गतप्राणाः बोधयन्तः परस्परम् कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यम् तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च.
The thoughts of my pure devotees dwell in me. Their lives are fully devoted to my service, and they derive great satisfaction and bliss from always enlightening one another and conversing about me.
तेषां सततयुक्तानां भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगं तं येन मामुपयान्ति ते.
To those who are constantly devoted to serving me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me.
तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम् अहमज्ञानजं तमः नाशयामि आत्मभावस्थो ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता.
To show them special mercy, I, dwelling in their hearts, destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born of ignorance.
Arjuna uvacha param brahma param dhama pavitram paramam bhavan purusham shashvatam divyam adidevamajam vibhum आहुः त्वां ऋषयः सर्वे देवर्षिर्नारदस्तथा असितो देवलो व्यासः स्वयं चैव ब्रवीषि मे.
Arjuna said, "You are the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the ultimate abode, the purest, the absolute truth. You are the eternal, transcendental, original person, the unborn, the greatest. All the great sages such as Narada, Asita, Devala and Vyasa confirm this truth about you, and now you yourself are declaring it to me."
सर्वमेतद्ऋतं मन्ये यन्मां वदसि केशव न हि ते भगवन् व्यक्तिं विदुर्देवान् दानवाः.
O Krishna, I totally accept as truth all that you have told me. Neither the demigods nor the demons, O Lord, can understand your personality.
स्वयमेवात्मनात्मानं वेत्थ त्वं पुरुषोत्तमा भूतभावन भूतेश देवदेव जगत्पते.
Indeed, you alone know yourself by your own internal potency, O Supreme Person, Origin of all, Lord of all beings, God of gods, Lord of the universe.
वक्तुमर्हसि अशेषेण दिव्याख्यैर्नानाविधैः ह्यात्मविभूतयः याभिः विभूतिभिः लोकान् इमांस्त्वं व्याप्य तिष्ठसि.
Please tell me in detail of your divine opulences by which you pervade all these worlds.
कथं विद्यामगं योगिं त्वां सदा परिचिन्तयन् केषु के भावेषु चिन्त्योऽसि भगवन् मया.
O Krishna, O Supreme Mystic, how shall I constantly think of you, and how shall I know you? In what various forms are you to be remembered, O Supreme Personality of Godhead?
विस्तरेणात्मनो योगं विभूतिं च जनार्दन भूयः कथय तृप्तिर्हि शृण्वतो नास्ति मे अमृतम्.
O Janardana, again, please describe in detail the mystic power of your opulences. I am never satiated in hearing about you, for the more I hear, the more I want to taste the nectar of your words.
Shri Bhagavanuvāca Hantate kathayishyāmi divyākyātma vibhūtayaha Radhānyataha kuru shreshtha nāstyanto vistarasya me.
The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "Yes, I will tell you of my splendorous manifestations, but only of those which are prominent, O Arjuna, for my opulence is limitless."
Ahamatma Gudakesha Sarva Bhutashaya Sthitaga Ahamadishya Madhyam Cha Bhutanam Antayeva Cha.
I am the Super Soul, O Arjuna, seated in the hearts of all living entities. I am the beginning, the middle, and the end of all beings.
Adityanam aham Vishnuhu Jyotisham Ravidam Shumam Marichihi Marutam Asmi Nakshatranam aham Shashi.
Of the Adityas, I am Vishnu. Of lights, I am the radiant sun. Of the Maruts, I am Marichi. And among the stars, I am the moon.
Vedanam Samavedosmi Devanam Asmi Vasavaha Indriyanam Manaschasmi Bhutanam Asmi Chetana.
Of the Vedas, I am the Samaveda. Of the demigods, I am Indra, the king of heaven. Of the senses, I am the mind. And in living beings, I am the living force, consciousness.
Rudranam Shankarashyasmi Vittesho Yaksharakshasam Vasunam Pavakasyasmi Meruhu Shikharinam Aham.
Of all the Rudras, I am Lord Shiva. Of the Yakshas and Rakshasas, I am the Lord of Wealth, Kuvera. Of the Vasus, I am Fire, Agni. And of mountains, I am Meru.
Purodhasam cha मुख्यं मां विद्धि पार्थ बृहस्पतिम् सेनानिनामहं स्कन्दः सरसामस्मि सागरः.
Of priests, O Arjuna, know me to be the chief Brihaspati. Of generals, I am Kartikeya, and of bodies of water, I am the ocean.
Maharshinaam bhruguragam giramasmi ekam aksharam yajnanam japayajñosmi sthavaranam himalayaka.
Of the great sages, I am Bhrigu. Of vibrations, I am the transcendental Om. Of sacrifices, I am the chanting of the holy names, Japa. And of immovable things, I am the Himalayas.
Ashwatthaha sarva vrikshanam devarshinam cha naradaha gandharvanam chitrarathaha siddhanam kapilo munihi.
Of all trees, I am the banyan tree. And of the sages among the demigods, I am Narada. Of the Gandharvas, I am Chitraratha. And among perfected beings, I am the sage Kapila.
Ujjaishavasam ashvanam viddhi maam amrutodbhavam airavatam gajendranam naranam cha naradhipam.
Of horses, know me to be Uchaishrava, produced during the churning of the ocean for nectar. Of lordly elephants, I am Airavata, and among men, I am the monarch.
Ayudhanam aham vajram dhenunam कामधुक् प्रजनश्चास्मि कन्दर्पः सर्पाणामस्मि वासुकिः.
Of weapons, I am the thunderbolt. Among cows, I am the Surabhi. Of causes for procreation, I am Kandarpa, the god of love. And of serpents, I am Vasuki.
Anantaschasmi naganam varuno yadasam aham pitrinam ariyamachasmi yamaga samyamatam aham.
Of the many-hooded Nagas, I am Ananta, and among the aquatics, I am the demigod Varuna. Of departed ancestors, I am Aryama, and among the dispensers of law, I am Yama, the lord of death.
Prahladaschasmi daityanam kalakha kalayatam aham mriganam cha mrigendroham vainateyascha pakshinam.
Among the Daitya demons, I am the devoted Prahlada. Among subduers, I am Time. Among beasts, I am the lion. And among birds, I am Garuda.
Pavanaha pavatam asmi Ramaha shastrabhritam aham Jashanam makalashyasmi Srotasamasmi Jannavi.
Of purifiers, I am the wind. Of the wielders of weapons, I am Rama. Of fishes, I am the shark. And of flowing rivers, I am the Ganges.
Sarganam adidam कृतश्च मध्यं चैवाहम् अर्जुन अध्यात्मविद्या विद्यानां वादः प्रवदताम्.
Of all creations, I am the beginning and the end, and also the middle, O Arjuna. Of all sciences, I am the spiritual science of the self, and among logicians, I am the conclusive truth.
Aksharanam akarosmi dvandvaha samasikasya cha ahamevakshayah kalo dhatagam vishwato mukhaha.
Of letters, I am the letter A, and among compound words, I am the dual compound. I am also inexhaustible time, and of creators, I am Brahma.
Mrityuhu sarvagharashyaham udbhavasya bhavishyatam kirtihi shrivatyanareenam smritihi medha dhriti kshama.
I am all-devouring death, and I am the generating principle of all that is yet to be. Among women, I am fame, fortune, fine speech, memory, intelligence, steadfastness, and patience.
Brihatsama tatha samnam Gayatri chandasam aham masanam margashirshogam rutunam kusumakaraga.
Of the hymns in the Sama Veda, I am the Brihat Sama, and of poetry I am the Gayatri. Of months I am Margashirsha, and of seasons I am flower-bearing spring.
Dyutam chalayatam asmi tejas tejasvinam aham jayosmi vyavasayosmi sattvam sattvavatam aham.
I am also the gambling of cheats, and of the splendid I am the splendor. I am victory, I am adventure, and I am the strength of the strong.
Krishninam vasudevosmi pandavanam dhananjayaha muninam apyagam vyasaha kavinam ushana kavihi.
Of the descendants of Vrishni, I am Vasudeva, and of the Pandavas, I am Arjuna. Of the sages, I am Vyasa, and among great thinkers, I am Ushana.
Dando damayatam asmi nitirasmi jigishatam maunam jaivasmi guhyanam jnanam jnanavatam aham.
Among all means of suppressing lawlessness, I am punishment, and of those who seek victory, I am morality. Of secret things, I am silence, and of the wise, I am the wisdom.
Yachapi sarvabhutanam bijam tadaham Arjuna na tadasti vinayasyat maya bhutam characharam.
Furthermore, O Arjuna, I am the generating seed of all existences. There is no being, moving or non-moving, that can exist without me.
Nantosti mama दिव्यानां विभूतीनां परन्तप एष तूद्देशतः प्रोक्तो विभूतेः विस्तरो मया.
O mighty conqueror of enemies, there is no end to my divine manifestations. What I have spoken to you is but a mere indication of my infinite opulences.
यद्यद् विभूतिमत्सत्त्वम् श्रीमदूर्जितमेव वा तत्तदेवावगच्छत्वम् मम तेजोंशसम्भवम्.
Know that all opulent, beautiful and glorious creations spring from but a spark of my splendor.
अथवा बहुनैतेन किं ज्ञातेन तवार्जुन विष्णव्यागमिदं कृष्णम् एकांशेन स्थितो जगत्.
But what need is there, Arjuna, for all this detailed knowledge? With a single fragment of myself, I pervade and support this entire universe.
Om Tat Saditi Srimad Bhagavad-gītāsu Upanishadsu Brahma Vidyāyām Yoga Shastre Shri Krishnārjuna Samvāde Vibhūti Yogo Nama Dashamodhyāyah.